This interview highlights one of the biggest advantages of franchising, building on a system that's already proven to work. These franchise owners have spent more than a decade growing businesses across multiple brands, including Dunkin and Subway, and together they now operate over 120 locations. Their experience shows that success in franchising isn't just about opening one store, it's about creating a system that can be repeated and scaled. One of the key points they make is that a franchise gives you a blueprint for success. Instead of creating recipes, building operational systems, or establishing a brand from scratch, you're investing in a business model that already has customer trust and a proven operating process. That significantly reduces the uncertainty that comes with starting an independent business. But they also make it clear that owning a franchise doesn't automatically create wealth. Many first-time franchisees simply buy themselves a job. The real opportunity comes when you learn how to lead people, build strong teams, and expand beyond a single location. That's where a business begins to generate long-term value instead of depending entirely on the owner's time. Looking ahead, they're optimistic about the quick service restaurant industry. As new brands enter the market and consumer demand continues to evolve, they believe there are still strong opportunities for growth, especially for operators who are willing to adapt and expand. Their advice for anyone considering franchising is simple. If you're passionate about working with people and committed to building something for the long term, franchising can provide a clear path to creating a scalable business and lasting wealth.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.